EMF stands for electromagnetic field. This tool measures electromagnetic radiation from devices, power sources, and sometimes, if you believe in it, paranormal activity. You don't want to play around in the cemetery here? No! OLMLMO, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, sent me this EMM-02 EMF meter. Let's see what this thing does. So if you turn it on here, it'll make a beep noise, and if I press this again, you can see that it disables the speaker. So I'm going to just do the electric meter here. And if I come over to, say, an electrical outlet, you can see that there's electricity there. So it's another way to be able to determine if the outlet is hot or not. Now we can take this and say we get close to a microwave, and it is actually picking that up. Same here on the stove. And then when you come away from everything else, it doesn't really pick up anything. Now we can see what happens if we get it near a cell phone. And nothing. If we switch it over to mag here, we'll see if that picks up anything. Switch it over to RF. So it looks like it is jumping around here, probably because it is streaming data and it's not a constant stream. Now if we come back over to the wall, it don't pick up anything that way. And then we'll hit the mag button again. Now here's something interesting. So we're under RF. If we get close to the refrigerator, it starts to pick that up. Now let's start the microwave. So the microwave definitely puts off quite a bit of radiation while it's cooking. It is also using 2.4 gigahertz, which is the same frequency that is also used for Wi-Fi. So let's go check this out by a router. Now we're up by the cable modem, and what I'm going to do is run a speed test and see if that affects these numbers, as it should be transmitting over Wi-Fi. So I'll hit this here. I'll take my phone further away. You can notice as it's downloading, it is definitely making a difference to the amount of RF signals that this device is picking up. And then we'll do it again. So just like with the microwave, when it's off and not really doing anything, it does emit some emissions, but when it is cooking, or in this case when it's transmitting data, it is emitting a lot more RF signals. Got some strong readings here. But remember, it's not always as it seems. This is a hard drive magnet, and this device detects it.